Welcome everyone to the QuickTech tutorial. Today for this video of QuickTech, I will be showing you how to delete your Quora account. So first of all, open the Quora application and get logged in into the account of yours. Now that you have been logged in and you are at the home page of the Quora, you tap on the profile icon on the top left. From there, you tap on setting at the very bottom, and here on the setting page, you click on privacy. Inside the privacy page, you need to scroll down to the very bottom and you will have the option of delete account. You tap that. For deleting the account, you will need to enter your password in order to continue. So type in the password, then tap on done on the top right. Deleting your account makes your content and profile permanently inaccessible to other Quora users. If you are sure that you want to actually delete it, tap on delete. Account deletion request submitted successfully. Now you can see the submit for the account deletion is submitted to the Quora. They will go through your profile, through your proposal, and sooner or later your Quora account will get deleted. So this is how you can delete your Quora account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the QuickTech tutorial. Thank you.